How to use the YouTube app on an iPhone. The default iPhone YouTube app has been discontinued. To continue enjoying YouTube videos on your iPhone, download the official YouTube app and make use of its new features. Step 1. Tap the App Store icon on your iPhone's home screen to launch the App Store app. Step 2. Tap the search button at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. Type YouTube into the field at the top of the screen followed by the search button. Step 4. The official YouTube app is likely to be the first app to appear in the search results. You can check if you have the right app by looking for Google Incorporated under the Developer section. Tap the Free button. Step 5. The button now changes to Install App, tap it again to continue. Step 6. Enter your iTunes password and/or your username and tap OK. Step 7. The app will now install and appear on your iPhone's home screen. Tap its icon to launch the app. Step 8. Scroll up and down to view recent and promoted videos within the YouTube app or, to search, tap the search button, magnifying glass, at the top right of the screen. Step 9. Swipe across the interface to reveal settings, to sign in and select videos by category. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share.